Hey peeps, I hope you're ready for the best thing ever this week. Today we're going to talk about Jam. And here I'm going to go through the experience of browsing my website and then finding a mistake on it that I need to report to someone. Maybe it's my trusty web person. In this case, it's probably something I need to save for myself. In any case, I can go up to this little strawberry in the corner and I can use Jam to help me document the issue. So we'll talk about taking a screenshot in a moment, but if nothing else, you also have the option to record this tab. So if your problem has to do more with an interaction, let's say something isn't working on a hover state or something, you can record that interaction. You can also choose to do an instant replay, which is going to save the last 60 seconds of your experience in your browser. So if you saw something really weird, you can go ahead and save that information and send it to somebody if you need help. So a screenshot's going to look like this. We have a click and drag, just like you would normally do for a screenshot. I can choose to come up here and apply some changes to highlight the issues. I can make some notes. And then I can choose how I want to save this information. So the default is just to store it as a single instance of documentation that you can then share with people from Jam, but then you can also connect your account to other tools. So for example, I use ClickUp to as a task manager, so I could choose to connect to ClickUp and add this to my workspace, set a priority for this task and a due date. I could also use it to send to somebody in Slack or to create an issue on GitHub. So there's a lot of nice integrations with Jam. Once I say create, it's going to create a new instance in Jam for me. It's going to have my screen grab, but it's also going to include a lot of helpful information in here about my browser experience at the time that the issue occurred, any console errors or issues, information, the URL that I was on, the timestamp, the browser. So none of that stuff has to be tracked manually. It's all just going to be saved with your issue. And then you can choose to send that to somebody or copy the link, or you can just go back and look through your past jams and save it for later. So that's it for Jam. Check out more at jam.dev, and I hope you found this to be the best thing ever this week.